All right, as you can see, I think you can probably figure out what's about to happen next. We're on the scene of another Rover rescue. This one's been about a year in the making. I've known about this one for a while now. And we're gonna be back in probably about an hour and a half with a flatbed to tow it out of here. That is a 95 long wheelbase Virginia truck with 150 some thousand miles. And yeah, it's a pretty clean truck. We're gonna get a better look at it once we pull it out of this yard. All right, we got the key. We don't know how long this has been locked up here, but it's been in this storage facility for the past couple years, and I've been eyeing it and finally got a chance to purchase the vehicle. And we're gonna get a flatbed, got the tow truck here, and we're gonna pull it out and bring it back to the shop and see what we got. But it's, yeah, there she is. All right, here she is. Just do a quick walk around before we pull it up. Again, silver 95, long wheelbase, black interior, soft dash, 158,000 miles, sitting on air suspension. Great, decent headline. Windows down. I'm gonna see if we can drive that up. Cracked rear window. But here's the kicker. Oh, 25th anniversary edition. That makes this thing a little more interesting than your average silver short wheelbase, and not very rusty. So that's what really kind of prompted this purchase. And again, we'll try to get it back to the shop and check it out for you. So this looks like this was actually towed behind something before, so who knows how many of those miles are actually with the vehicle driven or from the tow. It's also not very rusty. Let me see if I can get the light on. Super clean. Yeah, maybe. All right, sometimes you get lucky.
You sitting it home, right?
Yeah, it goes to the floor, but yeah. All right, I can hit the e-brake too. No. You want me to pull the e-brake? No.
Well, my boss is coming down to meet me because I told him I needed him to block on Hall Street.
Okay.
But if the drive shaft's out, he has a snatch truck and he can put it in the parking lot a lot safer and easier.
Okay.
And I could just drop it like right next to it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, I just have to get it.
I'll look underneath.
All right, cool. All right, she's about there. Oh man, that's awesome. This Rover was literally, 700 feet from our shop, and it took a while to figure out how to get it, but it looks awesome up there on the tow truck right now. Surprisingly, it rolled, so that's good. They're probably the drive shaft's disconnected or something, because it was towed behind, I'm assuming, a camper or something. It's got the bar on the front, but it's there. It's complete. Front headlight guards, black interior. I mean, I'm pretty stoked about this one. This one is actually it's going to be going to Florida, but I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I know one of these just sold on Bring a Trailer for over $40,000. Again, it's not all about the money, but it'd be really nice to see this go to a home that's going to appreciate it, and hopefully restore it. Because again, it's not all that rough. It's not rusty. It's restorable. So hopefully we're going to check it out in the light, and and kind of just want to make sure it's a good package. But I'm excited, and it looks awesome up there. Yeah, how awesome is it that it rolls?
That never happened. We never even no one's locked in.
It's not bad besides that window and whatnot.
Don't post any videos until the guy buys it.
I'll send him the pictures, it's a good looking truck. All right, let's check this thing out. Interior is actually held up pretty well. Obviously cracking the dash from the window, but the radio's here. So this thing's all original. I ran a Carfax on it. It's a 3-owner Virginia truck, so it's not a bad title. It hasn't been stolen or anything. It was probably just either one repoed or sent to an auction or something like that. Here's the mileage. Just looking at all the usual Rover stuff. Check under there. I don't want to rip the carpet up too bad, but yeah, not terribly rusty. Rockers aren't gone or anything like that. Obviously it's dirty. This window's been down for a while, so that kind of sucks. But again, these rear seats are in great condition. Just needs to be really just needs to be cleaned up. I don't want to pull on this. Sometimes these crack and break, but back seats in great condition. Headliner's only sagging in the back. Other than that, pretty decent. Got the correct wheels on it. It's got the little valances for the rear light guards. Check this tailgate out. Still has the rubber seal on it. Opens. Look at that. Absolutely no rust. Obviously the struts are shot, but oh look, it's all back there too. You got all your floor pad paneling, whatnot. Someone's probably been back here trying to replace the fuel pump, most likely. That's usually what all the floor panels are pulled up. They got the spare. Cracked window on this side, not too bad. But again, we got the running boards, we got the front headlight guards. We'll take a look under there real quick, see if we can see what's going on in the frame. Not too rusty. Yeah, actually looks in great condition. Pretty complete. Yeah, all there. Yeah, we should that should be the Rover extraction tool. Honestly. pop this open. You know, the guys that had this before probably jimming with it a little bit. I know he was messing around with some stuff, but they couldn't get it started.
No, I think this is factory.
Yeah, it definitely looks factory. No battery, which we're actually like 7 for 7 on buying trucks with new batteries, so that's kind of a letdown. But yeah, it's fairly complete, honestly. I think it's a pretty decent truck. That's all it is. Yeah. It wasn't wet or anything on the inside, so besides the window, I don't think this sunroof leaks too much. But again, even the headliner, you know, that's all there. So yeah, that's the 95 25th anniversary edition Rover. It's pretty neat. We'll check it out in the daytime. We'll probably do a part 2 update on it once it gets picked up. But you know, not a bad looking truck.